Hello everyone, and welcome back to Professor Chavez. Today we're going to learn about SAT exponent rules. So now we're going to go ahead and talk about the first one. Any number raised to the first power is that number. For example, example 1, 25 to the power of 1 is 25. To write this as a verbal expression, we're going to go ahead and say 25 to the first power is 25. Example 2, 36 to the first power equals 36. 36 to the first power is 36. So that's the first rule. The rule number 2. Any number raised to the 0 power is always 1, except for 0. For example, 89 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 89 to the power of 0 is 1. Example 2. 28 to the power of 0 equals 1. So 28 to the power of 0 is 1. Now go ahead and try these examples. All right, number 1. 1 to the first power is 1. Number 2, 6067 to the power of 0 is 1. And number 3, 576 to the first power is 576. All right, guys, so now the exponent rule we're going to learn is a negative number raised to an even power becomes positive. So for example 1, when we have negative 5 raised to the second power, we know it's an even exponent, so our answer is going to be positive. And then 5 times 5 is 25. We're going to say negative 5 to the second power is 25. Let's go ahead and try another example. Example 2. Negative 3 to the fourth power. So remember, the exponent is even, so our answer is going to be positive. Now we're going to multiply 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So we're going to have a positive 81. So negative 3 to the fourth power is 81. Now, what if we have a number with an odd exponent? So when we have a negative number raised to an odd exponent, it's going to stay a negative. For example, negative 5 to the third power. Since the exponent is an odd number, our answer is going to be negative. So we're going to say 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So our answer is going to be negative 125. So negative 5 to the third power is negative 125. Let's go ahead and try another one. Example 2. Negative 3 to the third power. As we said before, since the exponent is an odd number and our base is negative, then our answer is going to be negative. So we're going to go 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So our answer is negative 27. So negative 3 to the third power is negative 27. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and do some examples. All right, number one. Remember, since the exponent is an even number, our answer is going to be positive. So negative 4 to the second power is 16. Number two, since our exponent is even, our answer is going to be positive. So negative 40 to the second power is 1600. And number three, since our exponent is odd, our answer is going to be negative. So negative 6 to the third power. So negative 6 to the third power is negative 216. All right, guys, so the next exponent rule. For the powers of 10, the number of 0 tells you the exponent of 10. Or the exponent tells you how many zeros follow. For example, 10 to the power of 8 equals. So for this answer, you should have 8 zeros following the 1. And the way we're going to say this is 10th to the 8th power is 100 million. Example 2, 10 to the third power equals, same as before, we're going to write the 1 and then the exponent tells us how many zeros. So that'll be 1,000. So that'll be 10 to the third power is 1,000. All right, now go ahead and try these examples on your own. I'll give you a few seconds. Same as before, the exponent tells us how many zeros. So 10 to the power of 7, we should have 7 zeros. So 10 to the 7th power is 10 million. 10 to the second power is 100, so 10 to the second power is 100. We got 2 zeros because the exponent is 2. And correct, for the last one, we're going to do 4 zeros because it's 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000. All right, guys, for the homework today is I want you to give me the answer and then write the verbal expression for each one of these. See you next time.